Thank you for trusting AmRad's American-made permanent replacement universal motor run capacitors. The Turbo 200 and Turbo 200X cover single and dual values between 2.5 to 67.5 MFD and 5 to 97.5 MFD respectively. This install video will be using the Turbo 200 to replace a 4510. As for any install or maintenance, be sure the unit you're working on is properly disconnected from electricity. All parts sold by Global are intended to be used by a licensed contractor. Be sure to mark the install date and MFD value on the side of the turbo before you begin the install. Scan the QR code on the turbo to open AmRad's website, where you can view detailed PDF installation instructions or register your turbo. The registration is not required for the 5-year warranty. Warranties are to be processed through authorized wholesale distributors only. We will use the included jumper wires and simple addition to set the MFD value needed for the install. Connect the 25 MFD terminal to the 20 MFD terminal to equal a total of 45 MFD for the Herm compressor value. The 10 MFD terminal will be used for the fan value. We're now ready to install. Attach the included strap to the turbo or use what's already in the unit. Identify the common, Herm, compressor, and fan terminals on the capacitor you're replacing. Take the wires from the common terminal on the old capacitor and place them on the black common terminal in the middle of the turbo. Next, take the wires from the Herm compressor terminal and place them on the highest available MFD value terminal of the Herm compressor chain on the turbo, in this case, the 25 MFD terminal. Finally, take the wires from the fan terminal and place them on the 10 MFD terminal. Always place the Herm and/or fan wires on the highest available MFD terminals being used. So a 3010 would have the Herm compressor wires attached to the 20 MFD and the fan wires attached to the 5/6 MFD. Whenever possible, mount the capacitor upright in the unit with a 1.5 to 2 inch clearance for best operation efficiency and interrupt process safety. If you were also attaching a hard start to this capacitor, you'd attach one wire to the compressor protector terminal, CPT for short, instead of the common terminal. The CPT is a proprietary terminal designed to cut off the hard start's access to the compressor in the event of the motor run capacitor failing, preventing damage and possible failure of the compressor. The CPT is exclusive to AmRad's Turbo 200, Turbo 200X, and USA-made capacitors. To take this protection a step further, be sure to use AmRad's universal hard start kits with the exclusive CPT Fuse Wire. This wire cuts the hard start off from the AC system within 3 seconds of a relay failure. You can check out our videos on the CPT and CPT Fuse Wire for additional information. The other wire of the hard start kit would connect to the highest available Herm compressor terminal in use, in this case the 25 MFD. Close up the unit and reconnect the electricity to complete the install. Trust the G for the best in HVAC. Please subscribe to our YouTube and follow us on Instagram to stay connected. We respect your work, value your experiences, and care about your voice.